Hello and welcome back. This is Steve of BUNC Coins and welcome to the channel. I have a Chinese symbol for you. Just before Her Majesty the Queen died, there were several coins that were minted with her image on the obverse. We had just recently the Yale Beaufort, and this is the second coin, and there are the BBC one has her image on as well, which has just been released. So what's this Chinese symbol for, and why the red envelope? Red envelope is very simple. I believe this is the Chinese symbol for rabbit, and we have a coin for the year of the rabbit below. Chinese people do money bags or do envelopes with cards with money in them at the Chinese New Year. Now the Chinese New Year I think starts the end of January, sometime around the end of January, beginning of February 2023. And at the start of that year we'll have the lunar year of the rabbit. I have this card in two formats. It's a £5 coin. You have, let me just come down a bit. You have Her Majesty the Queen on the £5 coin. This is a changed checkered blue back, obviously, and you have the rabbit itself. I'm going to put that to one side along with the red envelope, and this is the actual BUNC version for the year of the rabbit. It talks about, let me just widen this up a bit, there we go. You have there the rabbit in the Chinese culture as an introduction to what the coin is all about. We then have the Spring Festival, something about the Spring Festival. If you want to read these, please do pause it and allow yourself time to read it. On the third side we have, or on the third flap, we have, what's that? Shanshu celebrations. I think that's the Festival of Light, isn't it? Shanshu, is it? I'm not 100% sure. And then you have a collection of lunar coins, and then you have a little information about the year of the rabbit. Now this actually reads, Spring Festival marks the start of the Chinese New Year. An annual celebration has taken place for thousands of years. Rich in culture, tradition and folklore, the Shanghai collection honours the symbolism and representation of in these joyous celebrations, or joyful celebrations, and this year pays tribute to the year of the rabbit. And there we go, there's the coin. Oops. This coin is I do like this coin actually. It's a very nice representation of a rabbit. Now there are 12 signs in the Chinese lunar calendar. This is the fourth one. It starts with the year of the rat, and then it was the year of the ox, the year of the tiger, and now the year of the rabbit. There's 8 more to go in this sequence, and they always follow the same sequence, starting with the year of the rat and working through to the year of the pig, which I believe is the final coin, or the final one of the 12 animals. From what I understand, it is based on a race that was brought out by the emperor, and animals raced to be at his side. The winner was the rat, so he came first in the sequence, and the sequence was taken out by the order in which they finished the race. Now, I do like this series. It has been run before by the Royal Mint, but it was run on the 12-year period before this one started in 2020, or this series of the lunar series started, which was 2020, as I said, and they were done in silver, and they were released one a year as a silver bullion almost type coin. Now, the only thing I don't really like about this particular presentation from the Royal Mint is the fact that if we just go up and out a bit more, we have the old style handbag. I thought they got rid of these, and they're not the easiest thing to work with, and they're not the easiest thing to store with this extra big lump of plastic. It's unfortunate, but that's the way that it is. I don't know if they had so many left over and these coins were minted well in advance, a couple of years in advance or something, but these old style handbags, we thought we got rid of them. So they're awkward, they're bulky, they're awkward when you're trying to use them. So, moan over, what do you think of this coin? As I said, I actually like it a great deal. I'm hoping that the people who have bought it also like it. This one is actually dated 2023, and it will be one of the few coins that has Elizabeth II's portrait on it in 2023. We've already got one, which was the Le Beaufort, and this one. I don't know whether the £2 coin sets that are due to be released for the what is it, the 50 years of the £2, or the 40, is it 40 years? No, sorry, it's 25 years of the £2 coin. Now, I don't know whether they'll be released with Elizabeth's head on sometime during the celebration year. The first coin design, I think, was 25 years this year, and the first release of the £2 coin was 25 years in June next year, was the first actual physical release into circulation. So which of the 25 years they take, or which celebration they take, I'm not too sure. So if they need to delay the coin, they can certainly use it as saying it's the 25 years of the circulation, which I could quite easily see them doing, because there's an awful lot of coins that still need to be released that were forecast. I'm not sure whether all of those coins will be going into circulation this year, or whether some will be held back until next year. Anyway, I've prattled on enough on this particular review. If you like this coin, or you like this review, could you please give me a thumbs up, and also if you haven't yet subscribed, please think about doing so. I have hit my target that I set myself for this year, which was 100 subscriptions, but I still want to build further on that if it's all possible. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, wherever you're buying them from, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And finally, thank you for watching all the way through. I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you'll enjoy watching. Until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching, and bye bye. Ta-ra now.